Start. Hello YouTube, this is my TF16. Yeah, TF16, and I'm gonna do a review on it. It has a full metal gearbox, a hop-up, and then it has 350 or 340 FPS, a plastic magazine, a plastic grip, and then it has a battery back here. You take this off, and then it has 900 RPM, and it has, you can take this thing off, and plastic magazine, yeah, and then that's about all. And then I have a grenade launcher. The reason why I didn't put it on yet is because I just had a war and it makes my gun real heavy, and we haven't gotten green gas yet. We ordered it, but it hasn't came yet. And it's full metal, and this is like fiber or something. And then I have my grenades, my Stinger grenades. They're really good. I saw it on YouTube. They're pretty good. And that's about all.